Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 9 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Let's take a look at one of our 4 agreements. Ask for what you want. This is a great card. Find the courage to ask for what you want. Others have the right to tell you yes or no, but you always have the right to ask. Likewise, everyone has the right to ask you for what they want, and you have the right to say yes or no. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials up 75, NASDAQ up 9, S&P's up 11, gold contract up $24.50, trading at $1,340 an ounce. Silver up 43 cents at $22.71 an ounce. Platinum up 15 at $1,448 an ounce. Copper up 3.5 pennies at $3.33 a pound. Light sweet crude down $1.42, trading out at 97.80. Isn't that a beautiful thing? Bonds up a point and 8 ticks. The 30-year at 134.31. 10-year, check it out, up 23 ticks at 127.15. Both rates, long-term, short-term, are coming down, baby. King dollar get crushed, folks. Down 466 ticks, 79.28. Took out the lows. Bottom line is that we'll go over it, but King dollar wants to go about another point lower. Euro up 101 ticks at 137.83. Yen flat at 98.12. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. I know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? We are at 1755. Excuse me, folks, we hit 1759. And the A to B equals C to D. On the daily, folks, is 1776. On the monthly, going all the way back to the lows of 2008, guess what? 2009. March 2009 is 1778. That's what this baby wants to get into. That's your Dow. That's your S&P, cash S&P. Dow Industrials. We made it up to 15,515 today, and the low of the high is the 470 mark. So we closed at 15,467. I expect, guess what? Somehow this Dow wants to claw its way up to that 15,709. Now, NASDAQ Composite, this is where it's going to get really interesting, and this is why. Because I expect, folks, what you're going to see is that you're going to see all these indices catch up with each other. Now, what the Composite did today is this. The Composite got into a price point of 39.47. It's 39.21 that right off the lows of 2008, A to B equals C to D. So the Composite has done it. And then intraday today, what you had with the Composite is this. You talk about volatility, baby. This volatility came in spades. So the Composite opens up, gets up to a high of 39.47, and then boom. You talk about a move down. We went from 39.47 down to 39.18, 39.04 actually, in a heartbeat. And what that was all about, you had 2 separate issues. Netflix, NFLX, okay? So check it out. Netflix, what Netflix did, Netflix opened at 387, goes up 2 more points, and then just boom, comes down. Well, actually, from high to low, we went from 389 to 322. So you come down, that's $67 straight down. As that was happening, what you had is that Apple was also up. Apple was up to a price point of 528. Now, that wasn't as drastic. It came down to 508, closed at 519. But what that did, that very well could be the first arrow coming across the market in that NASDAQ 100 and the Composite. Gold contract, we're off to the races big time here. So what did gold do? Another wide price spread, had the volume behind the move, 148,000 contracts. We are at 1340. Your first benchmark out here, folks, is the September 19th high, 1375. What I expect you're going to see here, though, this move is going to, and it's going to be a straight line move. You're going to see it get right up to this 1434. The real key is going to be how do you approach, number one, the 1375 level. What I'd like to see is that you just hang underneath it for a few days, blow through that baby. When you do get up to the 1434, the whole world's going to be bullish beyond belief on gold, and that's the time to sell them some gold. Why that's going to be 100% move, and you know, we'll see how it comes into that area. What I do expect you're going to see, if it's a straight line move, and that's an area that you want to sell and you buy the retracement. Why? First move was huge off there. If we come up to that level and we hang underneath it, then that's a bull's heaven. That'll be, because then what that would be doing is saying, hey, guess what? This move is going to go all the way up to 1,500. XAU, HUI, they all went with conviction. Bonds, check it out. Bond market. Bond market is in a big ABC structure on the way up. And what we're going to have in the bond market is this. 30 years at 135 right now. She's making her way to 140. Did 334,000 contracts. The 10-year, that little baby right now is at 127.15. She did 1.1 million contracts today. She really has some juice behind this move. She is on her way up to the $1.30, and that would bring down the 10-year rate to, I expect, about 2. Right now at 2.511. It looks like it's going to break the 2.5 tomorrow. These bonds have been moving big time. King dollar, check it out. Okay, so King dollar broke down. She cuts through the lows out here, and she has some conviction behind this move. We did 20,000 contracts. Not that that's a huge amount, but bottom line, broke out the lows. If we do look at the continuous contract, what you have here is this. So the way the dollar's shaken out is this. Put this back 3 years on a continuous contract. Okay. So the dollar has been in a consolidation since 2012, the beginning of 2012. Now, the bottom of that consolidation has been 78.12. We're at 79.28 right now. What does that mean? Well, it means, first off, your first level that it wants to go hit is 78.60. And that's, you know, that's quite a way down from where we are right now. That's 685 ticks. If she breaks that level, then the dollar is going to basically really get down into the lows that were. It doesn't have to get to the lows of 2011. It can get to the high of the lows. But that's certainly going to put some volatility inside the market. And that volatility, of course, would mean dollar down, gold up, market would continue up. So it's going to be interesting watching how this whole thing does shake out. 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of Cree, let's go take a look at Cree, C-R-E-E. This is LED lighting, LED lighting. And Cree closed at $74.32. She's trading down $10 right now at $64.15. And you talk about a classic. This is pretty sick, folks. You never see them that they're this perfect, because, of course, when you're trading, it's, you get a lot of subjective inside technical or fundamental trading. But this is about as classic as you can get. What Cree had done in August 13th, that had gapped down from $76 down to 55 with monster volume. We gapped down with 22 million shares. Well, what does it do? Amazing. It crawls its way all the way back up, okay? Hit a price point today of $75.97. So 3 pennies off the high of 76, and then ba-boom. And by the way, with no volume, okay? What we did out here, you did 3 million shares versus that downtrend of 22 million. Bottom line, you're going right all the way back. Big number. PNRA, Panera Bread. What do we have with Panera out here? So Panera Bread closed at 162. She's trading out at 157 right now. And, this has been a downtrend for a while. She had a high out there of 192. Came down hard the last time she had earnings. She's going to do another ABC structure on the way down. Let me bring this back a bit. Yeah, she's going right after our lows. So 153. Yeah, she's going after one. Let me actually bring this back 3 years. Oh yeah, she's going after. She's at 153 right now, but she's going after 138. If you do have an interest, folks, in the metal market, in the gold market, in the silver market, today is the 600th edition of the Gold Report. It's hard to believe. Bottom line, this is the last day that you can get a very inexpressive price for the Gold Report. we're doing a promotion. It's over today. You get 60 editions for $600. Normally, it's $85 a month. You get it $10 a week for 60 editions. You stay right there, folks. We'll come right back.